Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to fix the error of Gemini 3.1 Pro is not available on this version. Please upgrade to the latest one. So the thing is, like, you want to use the Gemini 3.1 Pro with the high elements and so on. You can't use it because you need the last version of this. So guys, all what you need to do, which is opening browser or never mind guys, Antigravity download. So go for Google Antigravity for Windows. So here in the Windows section, whether you are the OS that you are using, the operating system that you are using, which is Mac OS, Windows, or whatever. In my case, I will just download for Windows. So I will not wait for that because I already download the thing. So after that, all what you need to do, guys, open this one. Open this. Okay, guys. So before opening the applications, all what you need to do, which is to close any thing that it is working with and so on. So you just close the Antigravity, and once again you will open the setup, press OK, and there you go, guys. So just press I accept the agreement, create the icon, press next, and install. In my case, I already installed it, I already work for it, and so on. So after that, you open once again the Antigravity. I just don't need to install it once again for my case. So here you will find the element. So guys, in my case, just I will go for hello using this model, which is it was the last application I need to do. It will generate, so it is going as I want. So the first thing that you need to know, which is, guys, if you don't receive this thing, or you receive once again, you need to get the latest version. All what you do, restart your computer, install, or like, let's say, remove anti-gravity from control remote. I mean from the control panel, and then install again the anti-gravity. Is gonna be good deliver in your hands. I hope you like the video. Please like, share, and subscribe the channel, guys.